The 2020 Lexus GX 550, a timeless tribute to adventure. In a world where luxury often overshadows utility, the 2020 Lexus GX 550 emerges as a beacon of timeless ruggedness, paying homage to its iconic predecessors while embracing modernity, rooted in tradition. Lexus' legacy in the luxury SUV domain traces back to the LX 450, a vehicle that epitomized opulence and off-road capability. Fast forward to the present day, and the 2020 GX 550 embodies a similar ethos, blending robust performance with sumptuous comfort, power, and performance. Equipped with a potent twin-turbocharged 3.4-liter V6 engine, the GX 550 roars to life with 349 horsepower and an impressive 479 pounds-ft of torque. This formidable powertrain, coupled with a 10-speed automatic transmission, ensures seamless acceleration and confident handling across diverse terrains. Off-road prowess. True to its lineage, the GX 550 boasts body-on-frame construction and standard low-range four-wheel drive, offering unparalleled off-road capability for the adventurous souls. The new over-trail model stands ready, equipped with enhanced features like locking differentials, adaptive dampers, and a terrain management system. Notably, the electronic kinetic dynamic suspension system EKDSS optimizes traction and stability, elevating the driving experience to new heights. Aesthetic appeal. While its design pays homage to its predecessors, the GX 550 exudes contemporary sophistication with its bold grille and sleek lines. Inside, the cabin strikes a harmonious balance between luxury and utility. Featuring premium materials and intuitive controls, practicality meets luxury. With seating for 5 and ample cargo space, the GX 550 offers both comfort and versatility for discerning drivers. Whether navigating city streets or conquering rugged trails, this SUV delivers an unrivaled blend of refinement and capability. Tech-savvy. The GX 550 doesn't compromise on technology, boasting a state-of-the-art infotainment system with a large touchscreen display and seamless smartphone integration. From navigation to entertainment, every aspect of the driving experience is effortlessly accessible. In conclusion, the 2020 Lexus GX 550 is more than just an SUV. It's a testament to Lexus' unwavering commitment to excellence, with its unparalleled performance, timeless design, and cutting-edge technology. This vehicle stands poised to redefine the luxury SUV segment. Whether exploring urban landscapes or embarking on off-road adventures, the GX 550 is ready to exceed expectations and inspire a new generation of explorers.